A new episode under the slogan Welcome to Artificial Intelligence. Welcome to Treasures. And today is a treasure of the most important treasures you may need. Do you see the picture of this product? Can you make a video like this? Boost your energy and health with honey milk. This milk, rich in nutrients, helps you build strong bones, improve concentration, ties in video like this. If you want a practical watch with excellent materials and an affordable price, then you should try this watch. This watch has excellent features, with just a picture of the product, and make a video ad like the one you saw. It is very wonderful and very easy. The link to the site is in the description or comment. But if this is our first time, we want you to support us by downloading it now, subscribing to the channel, liking the video, and activating the notification session. Guys, I swear I'm really happy with this video because today I brought you a strange tool. I mean a tool that surprised me, because it really does something that I've never seen before. Today's site is the Top View site, and I explained before that there are a lot of artificial intelligence video tools. But today is the avatar product, and it says new on it, as you can see here the avatars. So that you understand the site, gives you only one free video per month. But the thing is guys, forget about it being free. If you even made a paid plan on the site, you are the winner, because you will make promotional videos for your product.
Here I will choose this avatar, it's a nice one. Now I will press on replace with my product image to choose my product image. Now I choose this bottle of milk to be my product. And it's automatically remove background. After background removed, you must to edit position of a bottle to be fit with original product. Now press to confirm product position.
For example, I will choose this picture here, hinders on image to video avatar. I click here. 10 credits will be deducted from me. You will start uploading this picture to a video. That's it. This avatar is now ready for me to use, and tell him to say the words that we want him to say. Whoever sees this video will say that this is an actual bottle in his hand. Hindus here on save to my avatar. As you can see here, these are my avatars. Here, I choose for example, this avatar, the avatar that I use, and here you can tell him what he wants to say. Meaning you can write to him what you want him to say.
And you can upload your custom voice by clicking upload.
Here, we will tell him text to audio, and I will start writing to him what I want. Here, I am writing him a text like an advertisement for the one whose name is Honey Milk, which is in his hand, meaning his name is Honey King.
And now I can select language and speaker's voice by clicking here and change language and voice speaker. And now press confirm. Now you can press generate to start generating the video. And you can change the quality of video and remove background if you have paid plan.
Here I will write Milk Honey, which is the name of the product, and click on export to start extracting the video. Here it will start generating the video. After it is finished, we can display it with you and download it to the device. That's it, the video is finished. Click on watch here to watch the video with you. Boost your energy and health with honey milk. This milk is rich in nutrients. It helps you build strong bones, because you can really make an advertisement for your product with ease. You can also make a video and put it as an advertisement, for example, on Facebook and TikTok. Of course, you can achieve very large sales. Here, we click on download to download this video to our device. Of course, I make this breakfast too. So this time I will give him an audio clip in my voice, and I will start telling him, come on sir, go ahead and make the ad for us here. And I will start clicking on generate to start making this video. Of course here we will write for example like this. Then watch and click on export, and wait a little bit until the video is extracted. Then you should try this watch. This watch has excellent capabilities. Its materials are really nice.
Press download to download video on your device,
which you guys must use if you have products and market them online, because it will be very beneficial to you, God willing. At the end of the video, I hope you like it. But if you like the video and this is your first time following us, please support us by downloading it now, subscribing to the channel, liking the video, and activating the notification bell, which is very important so that you receive a notification as soon as we download a new episode. See you, God willing. Bye.